So we have this situation. We have to integrate 1 by root x, 3 root x plus 4 power 2. Now look at this. You know that we don't have any direct formula to integrate these kind of things. So so we will take help of substitution. And you also know that we used to substitute that thing as z which looks more ugly or which appears to be more annoying. So I feel that you guys will have an intuition that this thing is more ugly. Why? Because this thing is carrying root, this also carries root, but this ugly thing carrying power as well. So this is more ugly than anything else, correct? So what we will do, we will take help of substitution and we will substitute 3 root x plus 4 as z. Now we will try to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dz by dx equals to, we have to differentiate root x. You know that root x can be written as 1 x to the power 1 by 2, and then we will be writing dy by dx equals 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is minus of 1 by 2. So I can write this thing as 2 root x, correct? So we have 3 by 2 root x and the differentiation of 4 becomes 0. I hope till this part you guys are okay. And look at the beauty. You need root x, okay? So that you have already created dx by root x. So we will take help of that situation. And look at this, how we will manage. So can I write dx by root x as dx by root x as 2 by 3 dz. So 2 by 3 is a constant number, so can be taken outside. We have dz. Now this ugly thing was z, so can I write z square? Okay, now let's simplify this thing. You know that we guys are not comfortable with the greater power in the denominator, so what we'll do, we'll put z to the power minus 2 dz. Okay, we can do that. Now integrate this function. So 2 by 3 z to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus integrating constant c. So can I write this thing as 2 minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 is minus. So minus of 2 by 3 and z to the power minus 1 is 1 by z plus c. You also know that they have given question in terms of x not z, so they expect answer to be in x not z. So it is our responsibility to remove z because it's us guys who have introduced z. So who is z? Z is 3 root x plus 4. Okay, so can I write minus of 2 by 3, what was that, 3 root x, 3 root x plus 4 plus integrating constant c. So this is the required answer for this question. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations.